Leave your memes on the subreddit anime fans, and I'll make sure to watch them in the next episode of Blavai.
ओके फाइनली फाइनली इस हफ्ते का ब्लवाय आ गया है या हफ्ता हफ्ता ख़त्म होने वाला है पूरा एंड अब आ रहा है ब्लवाय क्योंकि देखो आज बहुत ज़्यादा बिजी था एंड मैं भी थोड़ा बहुत बिजी था इधर उधर सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद सम एनिमे मीम जो कि हम हमेशा करते हैं इटाची why did you do this much people using our goddamn Wi-Fi Sasuke Sada come over Broto, I can. I'm losing a fight. Sada, I'll pay for Thunderburger, Broto. I'm ending this. Kawaki brings Broto back to his senses by putting his own life on the line instead of using the power of friendship. Every other shonen main character. No, this is how you're supposed to play. Of course, it was someone other than Victor. Amado. When you accidentally remember that your anime waifu is not real. yeah. It happens, guys. It happens. Oh, the age of spoilers is over. I didn't think you'd go this far. The Pen Copyright Act. I'm a leaker. yeah, literally भाई तरस गए थे हम लीक्स के लिए कब यार बस एक दिन पहले निकले थे To my theories and prediction are sounding Boruto chapter 54. Some wonder how will Boruto's journey to becoming a Hokage will continue? The fuck? Hokage? The age of Thunderburger is over. I didn't think you would go this far, Kawaki. I'll send you a Ichiraku ramen where the 7th Hokage is. Was this the only possible outcome? That's right. The age of Thunderburgers is over. Even so, I still like Thunderburgers. कितना बढ़िया है मांगा फैंडम राइट नाउ ओके ये पहले का है लेकिन या लीक्स के लिए बहुत इंतजार कर रहा है Kawaki destroys the village because he didn't get chapstick. Kawaki destroys the village because he didn't get the skateboard in the latest. My dick is like life. Life is hard. Life is also short. Sarada, Broto, come over. Broto, can't. I'm busy. Sarada, my dad is home. Boruto, let's go. When was common sign invented? January 1776. People in 1775. Finally got to fit this. My brother struggling in algebra. Meanwhile, me. First time. Yeah, algebra यार most hated chapter था ये. These poor students, they have no chance killing me ना यार. Yeah, when the students are these Luffy, Midoriya, Ichigo, Saitama, Goku और Naruto. The Dick Game. Choose an anime title and change a word with dick. I'll start with the 7 deadly dicks. Okay. I'll start with the attack on dick. ठीक है आप अपना कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करो Itachi, carry on my legacy and save the village from any potential threat. Sasuke, I will always love you. Sasuke, let's start a little leave anyway. Itachi. Can I main character be both protagonist and antagonist? The simple answer is no, the protagonist cannot be antagonist. Eren Leoch and Light. Hold my beer, bitch. Me opens the 15th hentai. My dick. Me. I said stand. 15th hentai. यार स्टैमिना तो बहुत बढ़िया है तुम्हारा मैं खुद को एक्सपोज क्यों कर रहा हूँ भाई जरा आई एम नॉट गोना ट्रेन अ ब्रेड लाइक यू नाउ टू यूज दिस एक्शन नो jutsu I found a child of prophecy I know I'm old but I can still fuck you up if I wanted to and miss hands yeah okay ये is second कौन है first तो DBZ से and second पता नहीं third hunter से and obviously fourth Naruto से सेकंड कौन सा है भाई मादर एंड द शिनोबी एंड द होकागे वर फाइटिंग एग्जैक्ट I'm always fine. There's no point in existing, so just give up. You aren't weak enough, Sasuke. Okay, editing अच्छी है. Wait, Broto, what order do you want? The soul of innocent. A burger. Actually, 2 burgers. One for a god and one for a human. Tarashin Koji, you can't scare me with true fire of Samedi. Gotta tell my kids I had to fight this man back in my day. Yeah, how are you gonna have kids if you fought him? I think your son will become a traitor and leave the village, and your stupid son will follow him for years. That guy is a loser. He will be dead soon. या लिटरली भाई मेरा यही रिएक्शन था जब मैंने देखा था फर्स्ट. मी कमिंग बैक टू सबरेडिट आफ्टर 1 month. Still a bunch of shit posts, overused joke, old templates, and my friend fighting normies. Renegan, Sharingan, Byakugan. Minor inconvenience in the leaf occurs. Tobirama and Danzo. Uchihas. Asta, since I can fly on my sword, I won't need to hitch a ride behind you on your broomstick. Aren't you happy, Noile? Noile. Now to when he can defeat a villain with his own powers or the talk no jutsu. Maybe I am a monster. When you're having a cute and cuddly moment with your BF and Momochiki suddenly pops up seeking some attention. So you're Uzumaki now, huh? Literally, अगर ये सीन सच में हुआ भाई, I need this canon. I need this fucking canon. Literally, ये कितना सा cool है यार सीन. Monday to Saturday be like, yeah, that hurts guys. एंड फ्राइडे को एक्सक्लूड कर देना. फ्राइडे को ब्लैक क्लोवर का चैप्टर आता है. एक्चुअली इस हफ्ते कुछ हफ्ते ना अच्छे जा रहे हैं आजकल के, क्योंकि देखो मंडे को अटैक ऑन टाइटन का एपिसोड, ट्यूसडे को ब्लैक क्लोवर का, सैटरडे को जुजुत्सु काइसेन, फ्राइडे को चैप्टर आएगा एंड संडे को बोरुटो का. सो काफ़ी अच्छे जा रहे हैं हफ्ते. ऑल दो या बोरुटो के एपिसोड के लिए बहुत इंतजार करना पड़ता है. प्लीज़ इफ यू कैन हियर माई वॉइस, इट्स नो यूज, ही इज इन अ डीप कोमा. Kawaki was introduced in the anime. Not yet, but we are almost there. Don't eat to live, we live to eat. Charming. Shonen protagonists working hard in their training arcs. Naruto, One Piece, Bleach, and Jujutsu Kaisen. Yeah, यही Jujutsu Kaisen की स्पेशलिटी है कि मोस्ट ऑफ द कंटेंट जो है वो ओरिजिनल है. उनका अपना एक यूनिक वे है. एंड लिटरली ये आर्क मुझे बहुत सही लगता है. अभी तो यू सेड इट्स रीन अगेन मादरा, आई सेड रीन अगेन. Sasuke stats Momoshiki Sai. Momoshiki. Write it down. Boruto haters, Boruto fans, hate Jojo. Yeah. Me, society, anime is for kids. You should have gone for the head, turning people into peeps. Momoshiki in the next chapter. Actually, not in the next chapter. ये पहले का meme है, I guess. Yeah. Oh, Naruto, मैं boy, कुछ तो नहीं होने वाला है, तुझे बता रहा हूँ. Oh, yeah, actually Sakura got it. Temari ready for round 4? Shikama. When your favorite anime character is losing a fight and the theme song starts playing. Sad guys. Me, why does my chest hurt? Mom, it's nothing. Doctor is nothing. Google. Your time has come. Website, how old are you? 7-year-old me, 189. Website, I'll allow it. When you go to Japan but there's no subtitles. Analyze. No DNA test needed. Yeah, actually, मुझे हिनाटो एंड बोरुटो वाला शॉट काफी सही लगा. Almost same ही है ये. Start watching an anime episode. Mom enters the room. Stood behind watching over the shoulder. It's a hot spring episode. It's a sad service. That man called anime a cartoon. Nani? Omae wo Moshinderu. Am I too late? No, you were right on time, Dad. Meanwhile. Damn you, Minato! Okay guys, that's all for today. आज का ब्लॉग ऐसे इतना ही था. आप लोगों को आपको आज के मीम्स कैसे लगे. एंड या मैंने जैसे शुरू में कहा बहुत देर हो गई. मेरे रेडिट इंस्टाग्राम पे को फॉलो कर लेता. एंड अगर आपने अभी तक मेरे सबरेडिट पे जाकर कोई भी मीम नहीं डाला है ना, कर क्या रहे हो, फिर जाकर मीम डालो सबरेडिट पे. एंड मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना, वीडियो को लाइक कर देना. एंड मैं मिलता हूँ आपको अगली वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए
Later, bitches.